Hey guys, this is Emily at Johnson Motors in St. Croix Falls bringing you a 2018 Buick Enclave Premium. This is a local one-owner trade, smoke-free, and accident-free. It has 49,000 miles, features all-wheel drive. Coming around to the back, you can see it has a power liftgate, as well as power third-row seats, which make them quick and easy to go up and down. Coming into the rear here, you can see it has second row captain's chairs, as well as heated seats in the rear, and third row seating. Lots of room in here for any kiddos you might have. Coming to the front, you can see it has those dual roofs. Really nice and sunny. And coming to the front here, you can see all your steering wheel controls, such as a heated steering wheel, and some safety features, such as front collision warning. It has a rear parking aid and blind spot monitor, as well as lane assist and cross traffic alert. Built-in navigation on that nice touchscreen, as well as a nice clear backup camera, heated and ventilated front seats. This is a very well taken care of vehicle. If you're interested in it, stop in or give us a call today.